Hey guys, so it's currently my birthday, right? And Tila is bringing me on a shopping spree. So Tila, let me see the pants that you're looking for or looking at for me.
It's too disgusting.
Wow, that's a nice pants.
Guys,
That's a nice jacket too.
I have a rationale for it. I don't know how long this is gonna be. Nothing wrong if I make myself like a one pants or something.
So once again guys, it's my birthday and my wife is bringing me shopping. But look at this nice jacket that she got for me.
See, you already get what
And look at this nice denim pants that she got for me. So what else are you buying for me, Tila?
Hey guys, so it's Andrea's birthday this morning. It's Andrea's birthday today. So I woke up and I decided that I am going to flower him. Us Jamaicans, it's a tradition when it's your birthday, we usually throw flower on you and say happy birthday. Instead of using flour, I'm just gonna use the powder. Remember the powder from the powders challenge? I'm just gonna use it since, you know, it's easier to wash, because when you use flour it just sticks to your sheets, right? I'll be back, guys. So there is sleeping away. Okay, I don't know why I'm whispering, because he sleeps dead anyway. Or does soft or whatever you call it. I think I should go around.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, babe! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. You put your hand in a doo-doo. Just taste it and no waste it. Happy birthday to you. You smell nice. Smell like baby this morning. Ah. I should have used egg too. I should have used egg. Fright you?
Yeah.
What you thought? Happy birthday, babe.
Can I open my eyes?
Yeah, you can. It's not in your eyes. I didn't put it in your eyes. Should I?
No.
Happy birthday. Ah! What? There you have it. Oh, I have some on me. So that's to begin his birthday morning, to wake him up. And now I'm going to fix him a nice, lovely breakfast. So I'll be right back.
Hey guys, so I just woke up and Tila made me an awesome breakfast. She's very proud of herself. She made something for the first time. So
I always cook.
she
Please
made
clear up yourself.
something for the first time, which is Jamaican festivals. Is that clear?
Look, I always cook.
No one dispute that. So, guys, so this is what she made me. So this is ackee and sawfish with festival. This is our national dish. We also got the watermelon over this side. And Tila actually went the extra mile to get something that is only available in Christmas. And this is the Jamaican fruit cake or rum cake.
So I got it at the Jamaican restaurant. They have a Jamaican restaurant, Sunset Reggae restaurant, and you can order your Jamaican cake. So I know it doesn't look like the typical birthday cake with the candle, the icing and all that pretty.
I love it.
But it's what he likes, so I get what he likes.
Yeah, so I'm good.
Yeah.
So I appreciate my breakfast. I am obsessed with my cake. I can't wait to have it. And also, Tiola has decided to bring me on a shopping spree today.
Guys, we are at Nordstrom Rack at South Common. We heard about a sale that's going on.
Yeah, Tiola's taking me shopping.
I think it's a sale. Me not cheap, yeah, me not cheap. But anyways,
yeah, the more you can get, the
at
better.
least
So we're good.
shopping.
So we're okay. But the thing about it
Yeah.
is that there is a long ass line.
The line.
It goes right around. I'll show you guys later on.
Andre hate them short up pants here. Honestly, he hates them. That one didn't look too bad. Baby, that where it is?
Nope.
He said no. Wait, I didn't show them.
So this is the sale price, guys, and then it goes down by another 40%. That's epic. So original price,
44?
sales price,
oh,
and then
yeah.
it goes down by 40 again.
Andre, you put on weight now, so I'm gonna know if this can fit you.
I wear 32 still.
That's what happened when you stay up in the night and drink Ensure and muffin and eat muffin. See?
This is chess. I'm not fat.
What you
I
showing?
became sexy.
What you showing? Guys, Andre prefer pants that are like that. Tight foot pants. Tight foot.
So let me tell you about. Hey guys, so it's currently my birthday, right? And Tiola is bringing me on a shopping spree. So Tiola, let me see the pants that you're looking for or looking at for me.
It's too disgusting.
Wow, that's a nice pants.
Guys,
That's a nice jacket too.
I have a rationale for it. I don't know how long this is gonna be. Nothing wrong if I make myself like a one pants or something.
So once again, guys, it's my birthday and my wife is bringing me shopping. But look at this
already do your
nice
shopping, Auntie.
jacket that she got for me.
See, you already get what
And look at this nice denim pants that she got for me. So what else are you buying for me, Tiola?
I'm buying this so I can look sexy for you.
Makes sense. Want me to try this?
This is interesting.
Yeah.
It's unique. I like it.
I can pull this off, right?
Oh, look at the end. I like it.
Yeah. Alright, let's do it.
What do you mean you can't pull off it? You can't pull off anything. Psst. Hi, you see, I was over there and I saw you and I was impressed upon to come over and say hi. I don't work here.
Help.
Hi. You wicked. See me, I look cute. Hey, and I went out because you're married.
I got a wife.
You got a wife?
I got a wife.
Okay. Well, is your wife willing to take in a matey?
So size 32, clean, neat.
Yeah, that's nice.
It looks slim, right?
That's nice. It's pretty good. Let me feel it.
I like it.
Oh yes,
Alright,
good
so
material.
This is 32. I like it. So
Mm-hmm.
we are taking you home. You guys, I'm not sure what size.
Seat. Oh wait, price. We can't see. 340. As a jacket expensive, babe? I guess you should just go with the bra and done.
Try.
Oh my gosh, this is so ugly. What is an ugly? This ugly man.
It's someone's style, right?
Yes, it's someone's style,
Not
babe.
mine.
Are you trying to correct me? That nice. Ooh. Ooh la la. Ooh. Ooh la 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 la. Oi. Me like it. Me like it. Me like it. Me like it. Yes, me like that. Fun fact about me, I like to wear male underwear. Is that weird? Let me know, guys. Like, I literally love to wear male stuff. It's in the house, that is. It's so comfy. So I'm gonna see what size Andre wears. I'm gonna ask him and then get him a few. I don't even know what the price is on them. So this is for $22 and half of that. Alright, good. Let's ask Andre what size brief him wear.
Yo,
Andre,
remember the Charlie?
which size brief you wear?
Medium?
Medium, a brief or underpants?
Underpants.
Oh, just checking. Let's see what my gorgeous hunka tunka is doing over here.
So I don't like the shirt. I'm testing the size.
Oh, because I was just about to say, Andre, like when last you go for floral?
16. This looks like my size, right? You want me to try 15?
Yeah. So he's now checking out the shirts. Same thing, $45 and under. When we were ready to do our fitting, apparently there's no fitting room, so they were saying that because of the sale and because of the pandemic, they don't allow people to fit and then put it back. But as of next week, they're gonna go back to regular price, so you can do whatever you want to do and bring it back, which don't really make no sense to me. So Anja and I improvise and we find a corner, and we determined that we're not gonna go home just to find out that these clothes don't fit us, and they said that we can't bring it back if it can't fit us, right? Us, yeah, me too, because I got a pants for myself, y'all.
She shop, yeah, she shop.
So Andre and Kali here trying out.
What?
I'm showing them that you're trying out in the corner. So we're in a corner, guys. We find a corner and we're using this as our own fitting room. Trying the clothes over our clothes though, not stripping in public place. So you can't come store, buy stuff, and then you can't able to try it on to make sure that you're satisfied. You know, you have to try it on and make sure it fits you, and then you feel good. You can't reach home and then it don't fit you and then you have to bring it back. Make no sense. Andrea whining at the pants them, man. Andrea, you literally have to whine at the pants them, you know. And my husband like fitted pants, so, and the pants that he has under this is actually very thick, so it looks tight now, but it's not as tight as, you know, it looks.
This is good.
Yep. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little shopping spree with us, because you know it's Andre's birthday, so it's all about him, secondarily me. So he's busy.
Yeah, we have to move quickly, like everyone is staring.
Yeah.
So they're like, look at his pee-pee.
If you want to see free stripping around here, come this way, guys. Okay.
See?
Ajay,
This one is
not tight. Not tight, bad. And don't tell me say because of the pants underneath. It's tight. It can't even button.
because there's something
The
there.
positive.
Wait.
The positive. Going tight. Going tight up. Andre. Legit, that tight. What? And then the line tight.
It's not
You're
tight,
positive, Andre?
I have on a very
You're not planning to gain no more weight, right?
no.
Okay.
I have on something very thick.
Okay, and I have no other no space left. Not even a pants foot. No space not left. Could I? Oh boy. me feel stressed feel.
Alright,
We
so
can't breathe.
guys, honest opinion, is this tight? Are you in the light? Are you seeing it?
Yeah, I'm seeing you. And they're seeing your pants too.
See?
Maybe more than the pants. Funny body.
Yeah.
You did gain weight up top too, so I don't know. Maybe you start with extra large now or something.
No.
Oh.
Guys, Taylor thinks I'm fat.
I didn't say you're fat. I'm not body
I got
shaming.
sexy.
I am not body shaming. Yes, guys, my husband got extra sexy, as you can see. Now, good. Much must smell. Blush. Okay, happy birthday, Andre. Achim. Yes, thank you. Yes.
Thanks, sweetie.
Look at the train, guys. You're welcome, babe.
Been in my feelings, can't stop thinking about your loving. What am I missing? You tryna waste my time, can I help you with something? Tell me what you want from me, cause I can't breathe. You say you love me, boy, so please don't leave. What do you want from me, cause I can't see? But if you love me, boy, then please tell me. Are you gonna let me down? Are you gonna watch me fall in love, then let me drown? Or are you gonna love me now and give me something that will never pull me down? Are you gonna let me down? Are you gonna watch me fall in love, then let me drown? Or are you gonna love me now and give me something that will never pull me down?